friends, today we're going to make a boat. You need a piece of paper and scissors. You start off by folding the right corner of the paper down. So you come up with something like this. And then you have something like this. If this part is not sharp, then you could redo it. You could do something like reopen it and fold it again. Like that. Then you use your scissors to cut this part off, to cut the extra part off. And then you open this, which gives you a square, and then you fold the square in half. So you fold it in half, and then you fold the rectangle in half, which gives you another small square. So it looks like this. And then you fold one of these things down so you have this. And then see these three? You flip it over and put these three down so you come up with this. Then you open this and push down like that. So then you have this. With this, you put your two fingers here and pull. And if it comes like something like this, you can push like this and then do that. And then you do this and push. And then you have a boat. Bye.